panuntunan ng exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito. Cebu Pacific is certified under the IATA Operational Safety Audit, or IOSA.
Pants talaga nadala kahit isa. Puro pants dada na short. Puro short nadala ko eh. Kaya,
Ano masakit ng arthritis?
sa'yo talaga. Parang parehas na.
Pwede kayo kumain na ganito. Pwede. Yun doon.
Hey, toilet pa mo?
Kuya.
Alimian Caipan is perched on a hill, giving scenic views of the Tannan Strait facing Cebu. The ambience is rustic provincial, bukid, with open dining spaces, bamboo nipa elements. Feels quiet and relaxing. The name Alimian means aroma of a fragrance in Bisaya, apt for a coffee place. They serve coffee, locally brewed, chocolate drinks, snacks, some heavier meals, breakfast, lunch. Nilayang, a kind of mashed banana or local sweet, is among the favorites. Prices are described as affordable or reasonable, though some say portions are smaller and service sometimes slow when busy.
Ang ganda ng banat mo, tita.
Niloloko mo lang ako baka bakit na rin.
Sinasabi
Ang ganda ng kwento mo, tita. Bilisay mo. Actually, hindi pa ako nakarating doon.
Balinsasayro Twin Lakes Natural Park, BTLNP, is a protected natural park in Negros Oriental, Philippines. It spans 3 municipalities, Sibulan, San Jose, and Valencia. There are 2 crater lakes, Lake Balinsasayro, larger, and Lake Danao, smaller, separated by a narrow mountain ridge. Surface area, tilde 76 hectares for Balinsasayro, tilde 30 hectares for Danao. Depth is considerable. Balinsasayro is tilde 90 meters deep in some parts. The park is one of the last remnants of closed canopy natural forest on Negros Island. Supports a high variety of flora, ferns, epiphytes, arboreal trees, orchids, etc. Rich fauna, birds, 114 species, some endangered like the Negros bleeding heart, Visayan wrinkled hornbill, mammals including Visayan warty pig, Philippine spotted deer, fruit bats, etc. Activities, boat rides, kayaking on the lake, trekking or hiking trails, short and longer ones including to waterfalls. Picnic areas, viewing decks, floating cottages, restaurants overlooking the lakes. Camping is allowed, but you'll need your own gear. Guides are available and in some trails mandatory.
Tapos nandun yung nandun yung parang signage. Yan yung kasi.
Baba sila, ma'am?
Oo.
Ma'am, dandahan talaga kasi umulan kagabi.
Oo. Tita, dahan-dahan talaga.
Dandahan lang.
Ay, walang pakialam yan. Huwag kang pagkibahin yan. Sanay yan.
Hindi pwede mabilis.
Dahan-dahan lang kasi madulas, marami lumot. Uy, slippery talaga.
Viewing lang doon, ma'am. Kasi yung brown doon, ma'am, yung doon yung kabilang lake sa other side.
Gaano kataas?
Mga 5 minutes, ma'am, yun.
Hindi, what I mean is, dyan lang.
Yung tubig, ma'am. Background sa mga puno, ma'am. Dahil yung paligid, ma'am, ano, green. Yeah.
Wala, meron po bang buhaya?
Wala. Wala.
Wala pa?
Ako na, kuha naman ako isa rito.
Bakit sa Twin Lakes?
Dalawa sila.
Hindi kita yung tubig ko.
Rainforest, no?
Ay, ano?
Ayan, ganda. Hindi, may kasalubong.
Okay.
Ano yan? Pulang.
Puling Bato Falls, also called Malabo Falls or Twin Falls in some sources, is a waterfall in Barangay Malabo, Valencia. The Puling Bato Falls Mountain Resort is a resort built around and nearby the falls. Puling Bato means red rock in the local language. Pula equals red, Bato equals rock, because of the reddish or orange colored rocks around the fall's riverbeds, likely from sulfur mineral deposits. The falls, 30 feet high, with clear water that sometimes appears reddish due to rock color, natural swimming pools, lush surroundings, forested area, resort amenities, outdoor swimming pool, terraces, garden, restaurant and bar,
Wow.
air-conditioned rooms with private bathrooms, balconies, free parking, nature-oriented, relaxing, a good place to unwind, beautiful views, relatively quiet. Additional spots nearby hot springs, Red Rock Hot Spring, and nearby, sulfur vents along the route.
Kasi nga, di ba, galing siya sa bulkan lang.
Ayan pa, oh. Balik na pala tayo.
Kaya, side lang.
Ano lang yan pa sa 30?
Oh, Saturday.
Pwede ma'am, pag-picture tayo lahat doon. Yes.
Dito nga kami nagpunta.
Daming kalapati. Dito yung dove feeding.
Ma'am, pwede tayo
And 1, 2, 3, go! Ang galing ng bata, oh. Alam mo, ang galing ng bata.
Ma'am, pwede.
Si Birdie. Meron pa kami kasama.
Go!
The museum is a private collection maintained by Porfirio Carderol, Sr. and his son Felix. They collect World War II relics, weapons, uniforms, ordnance, bombs, grenades, etc., helmets, equipment, old radios, personal effects, documents, and also non-military antiques from around the 1930s, 1940s, coins, watches, letters, cameras, etc. Some of the items are quite rare or gruesome, bones or human remains of Japanese soldiers that were recovered in local sites. The structure housing the exhibits is a stone building, somewhat rumbling or rustic, which adds to the ambience. Huge bombs and heavy ordnance both from American and Japanese origins are displayed outdoors. Some of the items are outside the main building. There's also interesting non-military material, old cameras, typewriters, coins, that gives a broader social and cultural view, not just weapons.
Sa duha tulo. Ikaw na Violet.
Magkano to? 80 pesos.
Ang shame. Maganda sana to. Kaso marami sila sila. Ang shame. Ito po tambal ba tayo ng painter?
Ay, sa Richibo yan. Sunod na Richibo yung painting.
I like this.
Sa Pais meron. Pero
Todo mabete.
sa ano din, kailangan
Saan kaya yung ano nila? Yung...
Salamat.
Iniisip ko lang yung health mo.
Oo parang hindi yan. Parang naiwas dito. Dito ba? Power shades.
Kanyang ano na lang.
Dapat pala, nilakad na natin ba? Wag na! Wala na akong lakad.
So we have 2 single beds. Aircon. Light. TV. Mirror. Toiletries.
Kung wala kay Mr. Giles, si Beethoven, nasan siya?
Actually may amoy. Meron siyang amoy.
Ha?
May amoy. May amoy hindi ka aya-aya. So meron siyang balcony. Open ko na. Pakainit. Wow, what a nice view. Hello, Dumaguete. Pakainit. Cafe Racer.
Mahal mamaya na lang mag-video.
So buffet 299.
Okay na sa inyo yan, ma'am? Yan yung may... Dito ka na lang!
It's 8:40 na ata. So, ikot lang tayo. Papamassage kasi si mami. So, punta lang ako somewhere here. Hanap ng iinuman. Charit. Ayun o. Nakikita ko. Let's go there.